Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chandan Jha. In this series of video tutorial, we will learn about the basics of DB2. And this is your first video over DB2. So, today we will learn about introduction to DB2. The topics covered under DB2 are: what is DB2? The products in DB2 family, LUW editions offered by IBM, and the uses of DB2 in real life. So let's see our first topic. What is DB2? Well, DB2 comes out of the same IBM where EF-Cord worked to develop the relational database concept in the first place. IBM DB2 is a family of related data management products including relational database servers developed and marketed by IBM. Relational database management system, which is designed to store, analyze, and retrieve the data efficiently. DB2 product is extended with the support of object-oriented features and non-relational structures with XML. Initially, IBM had developed DB2 product for their specific platform. Since year 1990, it, it is decided to develop a UDB DB2 server, which can run on any authoritative operating systems such as Linux, Unix, and Windows. Informally, we call it as LUW. It implements the standard concept of relational database as well as the SQL standard query language that is available on relational database systems. It also allows storage in non-relational formats such as XML and JSON. In 1970s, IBM has developed a complete family of database servers started on mainframe platforms such as virtual machine VM, virtual storage extended VSC, and multiple virtual storage MVS. Since the IBM continued to develop DB2 on mainframe and distributed platforms, the distributed platforms are referred to as open system platforms such as Linux, Unix, and Windows. In 1996, IBM released DB2 Universal Database for distributed platforms, or we can call it as DB2 UDB version 5. This was the first DB2 version that IBM designed to optimize for the web. That is DB2 UDB version 5. In 2016, IBM released DB2 11.1 that delivered key innovation which reduces the total cost of ownership. DB2 11.1 also enhanced analytics and increased availability, reliability, and security for our business critical applications. Well, the latest version of DB2 is, as of now, is 11.5. So moving on to the next topic, what are the products in DB2 family? There are several separate code bases for DB2. Some of the concepts and implementations can be very different. And DBA for one code base cannot always do the other platforms. There are basically four products in DB2 family. First one is DB2 for Linux, Unix, and Windows. We call it DB2 LUW informally. Second one is DB2 for ZOS, which is for mainframes. Third one is DB2 for iSeries, formerly known as OS 400. And these are for power systems. DB2 also runs on Docker now. There are decent images in the Docker store to use a starting point. Moving on to the next topic now, which is LUW editions offered by IBM. Well, depending upon the requirement of needful features of DB2, the organization select appropriate DB2 version. IBM has changed the packaging structure in the latest release of DB2 for LUW and now offers various editions. First one is Advanced Enterprise Server Edition or Enterprise Server Edition. It is designed for mid-sized to large-sized business organizations, and this edition offers features like table partitioning, high availability disaster recovery (HADR), materialized query table, multi-dimensional clustering, pure XML backup compression, etc. Second one is Advanced Workgroup Server Edition or Workgroup Server Edition. It is designed for workgroup or mid-size business organizations. Workgroup Server Edition supports high availability disaster recovery, online reorganization, pure XML, web service, federation support, SQL replication, backup compression, etc. Third is Express Edition. Well, Express Edition is designed for entry level and mid size business organizations. It is full feature DB2 data servers and it offers only limited services like web server federations, backup compressions, DB2 homogeneous federations, homogeneous SQL replications, etc. Fourth one is Developer Edition. Enterprise Developer Edition offers only single application developer. It is useful to design, build, and prototype the applications for deployment on any of the IBM server. But this edition cannot be used for developing applications. Express CA. Well, if someone wants to hands-on or wants to try the features of DB2, then he or she can use the DB2 Express C edition on his or her system. This edition provides all the capabilities of DB2 at zero charge. It can run on any physical or virtual systems with any size of configuration. Moving on to the next topic, which is what is the use of DB2 or features of DB2 in real life. DB2 has all the standard features you require out of a relational database. IBM DB2 helps you quickly build and deploy mission critical applications in your organization. It supports both operational and analytic workloads. The in-memory computing of DB2 is a good feature of high performance and scalability to meet complex business requirements. DB2 is appropriate both for high volume OLTP environments and giant data warehouses and analytics environments, depending on how you implement it. DB2 offers several different formats of multi-server clustering for high availability, disaster recovery, and applying massive amounts of computing power to large datasets. Like features, the list is quite long. Thousands of custom applications works with DB2. Like SAP is one of the larger ones that usually certifies on DB2. Most of the IBM applications or middleware like WebSphere or WebSphere Commerce work with DB2. DB2 has an Oracle compatibility mode that when engaged allows the vast majority of code that runs against Oracle also runs against DB2. We can connect DB2 from Bash, PowerShell, KSH, C++, Java, etc. And several communication protocols works with DB2 like JDBC, CLI, ODBC and DRDA. Well friends, that's it in today's tutorial video. In this my video series of DB2 tutorial, we will see all the needed and basic fundamentals of DB2 theory as well as practical command based learning. If you guys have any questions, queries or concerns, you can leave your comments in below comment section and I will do my best ASAP to get back to you. On top of that, I created blog posts for this video. Go and check out on www.imjhachandan.com or click on the links mentioned in the description section. Finally signing off, and guys, be sure to subscribe, like videos and hit bell button so that you will never miss the amazing upcoming learning contents on my YouTube channel. Thank you.